Oh, hello guys. This is Nation. It's a beautiful morning here. How are you doing, man? And it's been like, what can I say, 2 or 3 days. One day, I'm not uploading the video. It was on weekends, on Sunday, and we were just chilling. And guys, I'm sorry, but right now I'm here and I was resuming, and I had a problem of starting for the bricks because, guys, I told you we had a problem here at our village here around with my neighbor somewhere there, Gitiriba. He lost her nephew, so we are not supposed to do such a continuous work. So that is the rules of the village. We have to chill and we don't work like you can do other things here at home, just cleanliness, whatever, but to go to the shamba, building, doing what, we are not allowed. You can even ask other people from here around, they will tell you, man. So right now I'm not working, and I was just trying to make some cleanliness here around, even me, and to maintain the work. And guys, thank you so much for pushing me. Road to 1,000. Now we are talking about 500. It's okay. Now road to 1,000, guys. And ours are doing best, guys. I must tell you this because you are the one who's supporting me. So we are talking about yes, we are talking about 2,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscriber. And man, that is it, man. I feel good, man. I know very soon I'm going to be monetized. And guys, you have been giving me morale, motisha every day, and I don't give up for this. I feel to continue working and to make sure that everything is going good, guys. And love you so much, guys, for showing me some love, and thank you so much for this. And wow, amazing, yeah, that is it. And it's Monday, guys. You know what is Monday? The day of tiredness. You feel like you don't want to work. You feel you are so tired, man. This day it's so funny. But right now I've woke up. I'm thinking of doing of 1 bag of cement, silent. You can't do it like. So yeah, man. We are trying to chill, to wait for that day. I think, man, all of this week we will not work, man. I feel bad, but that is the God's plan. And our brother passed, and he was a young brother. He was a young boy, and but that was God's plan. And we thank God because right now, at least the family are getting some happiness, and people are going there showing some love, and thank God, man. They are now cooling because there was many things going around here, but right now we thank God, man. Everything is good, everything is cool, And guys, I think I'm going to start the house next week, not this week. Guys, you're going to allow me this because I want to struggle for this week, preparing for the bricks. And this is Monday, guys, and as we're going to start with bricks, I'm going to update you every day what I'm doing. And next week we'll start building until we reach the rent. Guys, come with me, show you. Okay, guys, with me, show you. So my nephew, they are here drinking. How are you? What is your name? Evans. And you?
Betty.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Why are you not looking for camera?
Hi.
Yes, thank you. This is the water here, baby. What is your name?
Felix.
Say hi.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Justus Bosiri.
Wasiri. How are you?
I am fine.
You are fine. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes. And my mother is here, as always, my lovely mother, preparing for us breakfast with my nephew here around. And I love him so much. He's here. Say hi to my people.
Hi.
Yeah. Thank you. They are loving for him. Guys, I told you here we use this traditional meko. Guys, I don't know what is in English. We call it meko, guys. So this is how we prepare the tea. And the funny thing with my mother, he used this. I don't know where he used this. Hii formula ulitoa wapi? For making the smoke passing the other side, going outside. This side here, you see this side, smoke going that side. We don't find the smoke around the house. So I'm coming to drink tea, guys, and my nephew right here. That's your name. He's sharing the camera. Wow. So Lisa told me, make sure that you're talking with your people, with your nephew, in English, so that they will practice talking in English. So thank you so much, Lisa Lewatu. And I love you so much, you people, for giving me my guys, you know. This is our house, and guys, I was telling you this. I was trying to slash to reduce the grass. It was too long here, and the pigs, and I'm going to slash from the other side here. Going the other, you see, it has been growing big, so I'm trying to slash even here to make sure everything is good. And this is our bricks. We're watering it with the water. And you can see was doing some cleanness inside here, guys. This is in the morning because the grass was growing. You see, big. Even right here, I'm going to remove it. See the other side. And the banana was here inside my house. So I think right now I was removing it so that we continue. So guys, after building at this point, you see this point here around, we are going to put a renter around, and then one course, and then we continue from there, guys. And I think now to live inside my house and to come out of from my mother's house. You see, my mother's house here, because man, there is some things I can't do privacy because I live in my mother's house. But guys, I thank you so much because you're giving me morale day by day, telling me I will make it. Yes, guys, I will make this, you know. And I love you so much, guys, for your love and for your support, and for always watching my videos, guys. You're so big supporting to me, man. I'm running like, man, I can't imagine, guys. You know, you have shown me some love. Sometimes I feel emotion. I feel to cry, man, because we started with the other content creators. Even they were ahead of me, but right now they don't have hours. They are struggling with views, guys. But you come to me and show me some love and watch my videos and comment there, and also, man, even guys, man, I can't explain, man, to all, man. But I thank you so much because that is what my passion, what my heart feels, man, you know. And right now, I told you I have many things to do. National investment is here. My house is supposed to be complete, and man, I tell you, I'm going to do something big. I can't let you down, my people, you know. I'm going to make something, even me, for you, a special one. Wow. So guys, this is it. I'm going to bring for you a content after finishing this house. I'm going to walk all over here and build and show you my skills, you know. But right now, my guys, and I think this house is supposed to be complete, and then we talk about other things, you know, guys. And Kim is always coming to resume to his job, and when he's going to resume, I'm going not to have her a nice time to complete the house, because hey guys, you know, when that guy is starting with his job, man, I honor that guy so much, man. I feel man, Kim is a good guy. Kim is a good guy, guys. Kim is a good guy. I love that guy so much because he was the one who showed me this journey, and without him I would not know you guys. Even you would not know me. But that is it, and big shout out for you, Kim. Yes. Guys, okay, guys, we are going to prepare for the bricks. You see right now this one, and guys, thank you so much for giving me Mutisha, because you told me I'm using a good ratio. Right now that is it, and has a good ratio, you can see. Good one, guys, good one. a good one, and this is it, and we will continue from there. So guys, give me some minutes and we'll show you something here. Wow guys, I'm here. I'm here and my sound is going off, but I'm going to work on it. Guys, what is this, man? I don't know what is this. What is the name of this one? Wow, it's so big, man. I don't know what is this, but that is it. But guys, I'm going to work on sand because right now this is my mother's house, and the house is doing good, you can see. But we are going to work on plaster because right now I'm working on my house. You see, blocks build, by the way, very fast. Yes guys, so I'm going to work on sand, and guys, this is the forest around here, a small forest near to my house is one of our neighbor. So this part here is sold. You see this part here, this one is the marking of the land. So he sold this land, but this land is not sold, so it's just there. And this is it guys. Amazing environment, you can hear trees. Wow. And this is the place where we are getting sand from, and this part, the other side here. And I'm going to work on sand, guys. I told you Gitiriba lost his her nephew, so right now we can't continue working as the way we were working at the first days, because the rules of this village is that when, let me say in Kenya, when someone died in the village, that around the village there, they don't work. They just being there and bringing condolences to the family. That is all. No working in the village, you know. And this is the sun now, guys. So I think I'm coming to remove it. I think if it's not tomorrow, is after he buried the brother. See, a lot of sand. And the other side coming this way, going down there, a lot of sand, guys. But we thank God, because right here I don't buy sand, because sand came and hide himself here, and I collect it and I use it, man, you know. Wow. So this is it, my neighbor here, and this is another neighbor with the forest. Wow, guys, and this is it, man. And this is how we live in Africa. A lot of forest around near the houses, and the other soil coming from the other side, coming this way, hiding themselves from Nyabohanse. Wow, guys, you know. And that is it. And guys, I told you I'm going to finish this house very soon. Let me tell you the truth. I can't let you down. I'm going to finish it very soon. And guys, there is this bango here. Let me show you. How I written? Wow, you can see the way it's written. Be your own man. Guys, be your own man. Don't be like a woman. Be your own man. Be your own man, man. Be your own man, and that is it all. Guys, I love you so much, and I'm thinking how I'm going to start this and then to finish, because I want to slash this part here to reduce the height of it, to slash, and to making sure that it's not going to the house there, even from this part here around. And this is the house. See the house, so it's not rich, so we are going to add 2 courses going around. Is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. And then I'm going to slash on this one here. But guys, that is it, and this is our environment. Wow, see the way it's so beautiful. Overgreen from the road going there is overgreen, you know. And this is the maze. Maize all over here. Guys, what is this name of this one? These are fruits. I don't know, man. Then we have another getaway here. Okay. So what do we call it? I don't know the name of this one. There's these fruits here. Wow, arrowroots, sweet potatoes. And this is another gate. So I think I'm going to close the other gate. We use this one. This one. Wow. Thank you so much. Wow. And the banana is here. This is our banana growing. This is banana. And this one. Wow. It's flowers. See the flowers they are growing. And my mother is looking for for lunch, man. It's looking for lunch, and the cat is here. Meow, meow. Say hi. Meow, say hi.
Annie's looking for a
Vegetable. Okay, Meow is looking for vegetable, and my mother is the other side, looking for the guys here in Kenya. In the village, we don't struggle for the vegetables around, you know. So we got, even right now, this is another one. It's going to correct around, and it will get enough. And here, see, wow, even this one, see, we don't struggle with the vegetable, you know. Wow. My nephew is here, and this is the banana growing, and very soon we are going to harvest it and heat. And my nephew is here, and another one is there. They are doing cleanness. Okay. You want to say something? No. Yes. So this is it, guys. You know, I'm doing some cleanness here around from inside, coming this way. And guys, thank you so much for working with me around here. And I have a good news for you guys, because tomorrow I'm going to bought some cements, and I'm going to update you about it. And it's concerning this my small opening house, because I had one of my subscriber and then told me he's going to buy for me some bags of cement to finish this house, because right now we have some inside, but we're going to finish it. And guys, I promise you I'm going to finish this house, and we are going to continue, you know. We're going to continue, and we are ready to go. We are ready to go. And I don't want to corner you guys, because I want to show you everything around here, and the way my house is going, the way everything is going. And see, guys, I think you know, I think you feel the way I'm feeling. Sometimes you imagine that you are owning the house, you know. And here in Africa, guys, the poverty is the richest in Africa. Poverty is the richest even in Kenya. So when I own a house like this, I feel I'm a man. I feel I am good. That is it, man. Right now, man, guys, very soon I'm going to live inside and start my life and continue with life, because, man, when you have your house, everything is manganyo. That is it, guys. Where I feel good, man. That is it, man. And guys, thank you so much for being with me until this time. And I'm going to prophesy for you guys. May the God bless you. May the God give you good health. May the God open your doors. May the God also protect you, protect your family, wherever you are watching from, in the name of Jesus the Creator. And guys, as always, you know, and we will we'll check out. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.